What is up, everybody? My name is KingKiller123 here, and today I'm making another pack opening. See here we have 8 pro packs. Let's get into it. Gosh, focus camera. Oh, okay.
Bismack.
Okay, we got the finals collectible. I mean, it's not the worst one we can get, so not terrible. Okay, we got another finals collectible. 75.
Ooh,
80.
Nicholas Baton.
Well, that's a like a global guy.
Yeah, global guy. 80 overall. That's not bad. Still for a lot.
Yeah. Lee.
Joe Johnson.
Jaw Johnson. Focus.
Victor Oladipo. 79 overall.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh, you're gonna be clutch again. Oh.
Zach Randolph. 78 overall.
Yep, think I might be clutch
Last
again.
pack. Gotta be clutch.
Nope, no way you're gonna get an elite. No way. No way ever. Psych!
Oh, Steph Curry.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh!
89 overall. Steph Curry.
Oh my gosh!
Dude, what a clutch pull. Oh my god, dude.
Dude, again! Another clutch pull!
Pretty sure he's the best base elite player.
Dude! You are very welcome.
94
You are welcome, Lane.
I think.
Is that on
94
your?
3-pointer.
Is that on your one with Russell Westbrook
Yeah.
on it?
No.
Oh, because you could have sold Russell Westbrook for a lot.
94 3-pointer.
90-40. You will annihilate.
Dude, that's freaking awesome.
Dude, oh my gosh.
Okay.
Put him on your team right now. On the bench. I'm just kidding. I was Stephen on the bench. He deserves to be on the team. Yep. Definitely making this. That is amazing.
Final master achievement 85 overall shooting team. Now I can get
You
closer
know,
to
lineup maker.
getting closer to the James Harden. It's nice.
Swag.
Team is still an 83, but my shooting team is an 85.
Where's
I'll show
your
you my shooting
Stephen team?
That's my
Oh my god. Yes.
the
Focus.
best team.
Steph's. Oh my gosh.
Steph,
it won't
Jimmy, LeBron, Brian Anderson, throwback, and then Andre Drummond.
focus. That is a great team. That is just amazing.
Okay.
Yep. Oh my gosh. So lucky, man. So lucky. Thank you guys for watching. And please subscribe for more epic pack openings. And goodbye.